In this Pipedrive tutorial video, we'll be talking about how you can customize the deal cards from the pipeline view in Pipedrive. Let's jump into it. Now, there's a few things that we have to keep in mind when we're talking about the Pipedrive deal card customization from the pipeline view. The first thing is that this feature is only available for the professional, power, and enterprise plans in Pipedrive. It's one of the many features that Pipedrive has recently developed in order to give you more value out of Pipedrive. The other thing to keep in mind is that this is a user level customization. What that means is that even you as an admin, if you customize your account with the deal card customization, it's not going to affect the other users. You either have to let them customize their accounts to the deal cards however they want, or you can just instruct them, how to follow a similar path. But either way, it is a user level customization. It's not a company level customization. All right, so let me show you how to access the feature. All you have to do is click the drop down arrow on your pipeline and you'll be able to see the feature that says customize deal cards. When you click this feature, you're going to notice that a couple different things that are important to take note of. First things first is that you're going to notice that this says 6 out of 7. Here's the default deal card format, right? So we have the deal title, the linked person, linked organization, value, owner, and label. That's 6 right there. You can actually have a total of 7 fields in all that can show up on the deal card. The one thing that you notice is that the title is grayed out. The title cannot be removed from the deal card. Everything else can. For example, I can uncheck the linked person and I can uncheck the linked organization, and you'll see that they disappear from the deal card. Going back here as well, if we hit customize deal card, you can see that we can search for other fields from the deal person or organization level. If you take a quick note here, what you're going to see is that you can add any type of custom field to the deal card except multi-choice custom fields and long text custom fields, and for obvious reasons. Multi-choice custom fields, yes, there might be 1 or 2 selected, but you can have up to 100 options. So imagine Pipedrive trying to squeeze 100 different options, selected options onto a deal card. Not possible. Also, same thing with long text. Every other type of custom field at the deal level, you should be able to add. When you add them, you're going to notice, let's see here. Let's add in some actual deal custom fields here. You'll notice that it will update the deal format if the deal card has that data filled out. If the deal card is missing that data, then it's not going to show up on the deal card itself. So let's see if I can add 1 or 2 more that actually would exist here. Right, so you can see the deal ID is right here. As you're noticing right now, whenever you have the information on the deal card showing up, you can hover over that value and it will specify what it is. So for example, in this case, this is deal ID 411 and this is deal ID 412 for that deal card. Another really cool aspect of this feature is that this is not only per user, but also per pipeline. So you might have situations where you might have different sales processes, so you have different pipelines, and the information you need for each pipeline might vary. So if that's the case, on this pipeline, you can see that we selected these following fields. But if we switch pipelines, say to the Canada sales pipeline in this case, and hit customize deal card, you're going to notice that it starts out again with the default, but we can choose any data that we want here. Right? And again, obviously, remove anything that you don't want. And when you do that, you're going to see that the deal cards update. Again, you can hover over the values to see what they refer to. All right, so that brings us to the end of the Pipedrive tutorial on the deal card customization. If you have any questions about that, please leave them in the comments down below. If you got value out of this video, please like and also subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of July, so please subscribe and share with your friends as well. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.